Hi guys, so we are in Nusa Dua today. So we just had an amazing breakfast at Copenhagen. Yeah, Copenhagen. I like that place because you can get a little bit of everything. Like if you want eggs, bacon, smoothie bowl, waffle, icing, cinnabon, or whatever it's called. What was I saying? Yeah, you can get a little bit of each, and then it's a good price, so you can get everything. But usually it's full. Like this week, I've been trying to go here 3 times, and each time it's been full. So today we finally got lucky. But now we're gonna go on a road trip. I think towards Nusa Dua. We have arrived at Sofitel Hotel and Resort, and no one is here. So we just said at the entrance that we're here for the day pass. So I guess it will be like for us to hang out at the pool. So let's see if there is a fee. Usually there's like a fee, like food and drinks voucher kind of thing. We'll see. It's so strange going to hotels and they're so empty, like they look like deserted. But at least we're gonna have it all to ourselves in a way. I guess there's always a good and a bad. So we got escorted to the pool area, and only one person is here. I asked her how many people are in the hotel. She said they're at 30% capacity today. So I haven't seen anyone so far. But now we ordered 2 mojitos, and then I guess we'll choose a bed. They just said choose a bed. I said okay. Usually at other places they charge you before you even get to the pool area. So we'll look at the check at the end of the day to see if they charge us for being here. Let's go to the beach. The beach is completely empty. I'm like the only person here. Passion fruit mojito. Now we're just exploring. We were down at the beach. Took a little swim. Now we're gonna go to the pool because there's no one there. I don't see you. Oh, there you are. So we just been relaxing by the pool and by the beach little cabana thing, umbrella thing. So now I'm just walking around. So I never really heard about this hotel until today. We decided to come here just by looking at our saved, on Instagram you save like pictures, I guess. So we have like a whole folder of Bali, so we wouldn't forget of all the places we wanted to go. So he had this place saved, and we looked it up. We said, why not? So then we actually saw that they have a day pass, so we came here, and I believe it's 250,000 IDR per person, and I think it's like a welcome drink, and I think you can get like a snack too at the bar. I mean at the bar. We don't really know exactly, because when we actually came here, they said that just to sit down and grab a chair, so that's what we did. So we'll see at the end of the bill, when we get our bill, what the actual price is. But look at these massage place, or massage bed, and it's like right by the beach. So cool. And then I think I saw another promotion that said if you want to come here for, I think like for the day, you can get, as a couple, you can get for 800k, you can get like a 40-minute massage for both, a welcome drink, and like a snack as well. And then I think you can stay in one of the rooms. I don't know, I haven't asked, but that's this flyer that they had on their Instagram, so I don't know, but that sounds cool, so we might come back. But now we're gonna walk and explore, because this is like a, I wouldn't say a boardwalk, but a long street, and I guess if you just keep walking, it's all the hotel path, I'm assuming, not sure. There's no one here, so you enjoy it even more. It's just so nice. I think we're gonna come here more often, because I think actually here in Nusa Dua the weather is more nicer, and maybe rains less than Canggu. Don't really know, but that's what people, I know a few people that have been coming to this side of the island during rainy season because they say it's nicer. I don't know. Oh, there's more beds, more day beds. Let's just keep on walking. So I actually just changed because they closed the pool and the, what is it called, the beach at 5 p.m. So we just grabbed a quick snack. I got like fries. Luca got egg rolls. No, spring rolls. So now, because it's cloudy, the weather is changing and the pool is closed, we're gonna start heading back home so we don't get rained on. But thanks again for tuning in, and thank you for everyone that's subscribing to my channel. I hope you guys are liking the content. Let me know what you guys want to see, because it's hard to shoot content because we can't really go out. Like today it was sunny, so we decided to come to Nusa Dua and we ended up here. So let me know what you guys want to see, like other things in Bali or anything generic. So tell me what you guys want to see down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Oh yeah, it's a hard life of a content creator. Trying not to drown and record at the same time.